Good morning. My name is Lukasz Radosinski, and I'm a candidate of Polish Corrosion Society to the Board of Administration of European Federation of Corrosion. I strongly believe that my academic and professional experience will strongly benefit EFC, and I want to take this opportunity to tell you a little about my professional background, myself, and my ideas for EFC. I'm not a chemist. Originally, I graduated mathematics in Wrocław University of Science and Technology in Poland, and I made my PhD in Japan, in a city called Tsukuba, where I was designing novel materials for accelerator. Then I went back to Poland, to my original university, where up until now I work in chemical department, chemical engineering department as assistant professor. Meanwhile, I was also a Polish candidate for an astronaut. I was a teacher in the kindergarten and also giving cooking classes. Uh, my background is basically fourfold. So I work in PSK, I work in the private sector, in academia, and also work with students. I want to use all those benefits to support EFC. In my research, I use something which is called molecular modeling that uses advanced computational techniques like molecular dynamics, Monte Carlo, DFT in designing novel materials that find applications in medicine, coatings, and electronics. Besides teaching students, I'm also a leader of two student scientific circles where, besides having scientific projects, we also organize international conferences, workshops for students and also for professionals, and visit other industrial sites. In PSK, I'm a member of the board that is responsible for keeping a dialogue between private and academic sector. And we use this dialogue to support PSK conferences where I typically organize technical committee. Besides PSK and academic career, I'm also Chief Technology Officer in companies Investen and Novacell. And Investen is a company that is an applicator of intumescent coatings in Europe. Whereas Novacell is a company that's responsible for designing innovative intumescent and anti-corrosive coating for steel protection. So, as a part of my responsibilities, I'm a leader of scientific group that has access to one of the finest laboratories in terms of fire retardant products. And besides materials engineering, we use advanced computational techniques for simulating mixing of those difficult materials and create better quality. Of course, because I work in the private sector, I have in the coating industry, I have access to many companies that are associated with coating, so PPG, Jotun, Sherwin Williams, but also major contractors in Poland and Europe. Again, I want to use all those experience to support EFC. Because I strongly believe in the dialogue between academic and private sector, I want to help in organizing this kind of dialogue in EFC, just like we do in our company, but also in PSK organize conference Practicor, where Practicor becomes a meeting hub, a meeting platform between academia and private sector. Private sector provides problems where the academia provides solution. I want to introduce this kind of solution in EFC that will also, of course, benefit all the parties, meaning the science, the EFC, and of course, industry. By this activity, I will also want to increase youth activity because young people in this way will have an opportunity to solve practical problems and also shape their career. Last but not least, I want to enhance cooperation with Ukraine. Due to my contacts in Lviv and Kiev University, when I was taking internship for for some time. We also see that here in Poland that we have a great number of Ukrainian students full of passion and full of will. And again, by incorporating this young force, I want to increase youth activity in EFC. Thank you very much. I really hoping to work with you, and I appreciate your vote. Thank you very much.